this is how the book looks like now. Okay, it is covered with a brown sheet and this is the book. All right, now children, I want all of you to perform the same activity. Okay, and try covering your notebooks or textbooks or storybooks or rough notebooks, whatever is there. All right, just try covering them, and you can use a newspaper or you can use an old chart paper. You can even use brown sheets if they're easily available at home. All right, the only idea of doing this activity is to make you write instructions. Okay, now the instructions which you write, children, have to be in a set format. Yes, there's a structure, there's a format of writing there. Shall we discuss that format first? Okay, so that's the format for writing instructions. So first of all, a title is to be written. So a title is to be written, and a title is a how-to statement, like how to make a cheese sandwich, how to tie your shoelaces. Okay, and then you have to think what will be the title for this activity. All right, so you have to think that. Then the second one is materials required. You have to write what all materials are required for this activity. All right, so I had discussed the materials required. I'm not saying it again. Okay, I want you people to do it on your own, and then you have to give the instructions in a sequence. Okay, please remember, verbs are written in present tense. The sentence starts with a commanding verb or imperative, and just draw a diagram. Not for every step, you can draw 2 to 3 diagrams, which will make it very useful for the ones who will follow your instructions to cover the notebook. Okay, so basically you are writing these instructions for the children who don't know how to cover the notebook, and after reading your instructions, the instructions have to be very clear, so that the child who follows your instructions, okay, who looks at your instructions would know, oh, okay, class 3 student is telling us how to cover the notebook. Okay, all right, okay, and this is what is required. Do I have this, and then these are the instructions. So the person who follows, or the child who follows your instructions, should be able to complete the task successfully, should be able to cover the notebook or the textbook successfully. All right, so your instructions have to be very clear. All right, children, so this is an activity. I want you to do it as soon as possible. Okay, because there's nothing much about it. You know instructions, you know how to write instructions by now. We have been discussing it for a long time. So I want you all to complete this activity by Tuesday. All right, so you can complete it by this Tuesday, which is tomorrow. All right, okay.